Ibinulgar sa Senado ang mga umano'y ghost ng flood control projects partikular sa Bulacan. Bukod dyan, pinasabi na rin ng mga kontratistang ng ghost sa pagdinig ng Senado.
Ang sakit lang, Mr. Chairman, is that for the past 4 years, 1 billion a day DPWH budget lang for flood control. And hindi ko alam, Mr. Chairman, kung paano natin kayang harapin yung taong bayan na gigising sa umaga, lulusong sa baha, magtitimpla ng kape, aalis ng bahay nila, lulusong sa baha para magtrabaho, babalik.
Good day everyone, my name is Janice Terji Baclav and my group mates Enrico Gaspar. I'm Charles Provino and our poem is all about the flood control.
When skies with tears and endless gray, the rivers swell beyond their way, a silent penance start to creep, as town-ed cities lie asleep. The flood, abyss of water might, threatens to swallow day and night.
The people rally side by side in unity, their strength and pride. The sun backgrounds breathe clear the mains, community is spirit shining bright. A beacon in the darkness night.
So let us learn from every tide and build the future side by side. With the flood control, a vital key to save and guard life for you. And meet the unity will stand our ground and keep our homes safe and sound. And now, thank you.